Hi, I'm Karma and welcome to my channel, Karma of Ominit. Today we're going to be doing a Lunarly Box unboxing for June 2020. This is my third Lunarly Box that I've gotten, and it's one of the higher end subscription boxes as far as cost goes. But when you're looking at the higher end boxes, I do think that this is probably one of the very best values that there is. So let's go ahead and get it open. Each month they switch between a candle and a plant, and with a short box like this, you always know that it is the candle month. So when you open it up, you have the box that comes with all your goodies, and then down inside there's the candle boxed really nicely for shipping. They do a really good job with their plants and their candles. I know some people have had problems, but honestly, it's really FedEx usually. There's story after story of FedEx throwing the boxes at the doors and stuff like that. So hopefully your FedEx person is one of the better ones. So here's the candle for the month of June, and I will tell you about it as soon as I open the little box here. So here's your little box with all your goodies. So we have, first is the intention card that they have, and then on the back it's got all the different moon phases, because this goes along with the moon phases, and it's here before the new moon so that you can set new moon intentions, kind of like goal setting, but doing it with the moon. And on your first subscription you get a beautiful journal that comes with it, and that journal has all the different phases. You write in the dates of the moon and different sayings. And then what I do is in the back, I just keep my box descriptions and anything left over, the intention card, back there. So I can go back. So for this month, it says it is the buck moon. Around this time each year, the young bucks begin to sprout their soft, velvety horns, reaching their full potential. Activate your own growth with the buck moon. And then they have an intention. This is an intention to inspire. Stand tall. My heart is open to growing taller. No negativity will bring me down. I am fearless. That's beautiful. Then they have a little brochure that tells you what you get in the box. And we'll start with the candle here. Let me smell it. Oh, that's really pretty. A really kind of a clean scent with a little bit of, yeah, there we go. So it has eucalyptus for connection and healing, lavender for calm and grace, and rosemary for happiness and love. Really nice combination. The combinations they use, I've never really seen before. And my last candle I burned to the bottom. It was amazing. And this one's just as good. Says this restorative combination of scents invites you to take a break and breathe a little peace into your spirit. With notes of rosemary, lavender, and eucalyptus, this candle has a powerful aroma that will perk up your energy and help you draw focus to the moment. Let this candle awaken a sense of renewal within. Light it. Take in the invigorating scents and think about all the ways you can shine in the month ahead. Meditation tip: see yourself in a forest walking toward a bright clearing in the trees. When you reach it, imagine the sun warming your shoulders as you take a deep cleansing in and out breath. Beautiful. Oh, look. So it looks like, I'm going to turn this around a little bit. So it looks like we have a dream journal. Says a little bit of dreams, an introduction to dream interpretation. Very nice. In my Masters of Counseling, I did quite a bit with dream work, and so this will be a great little resource for me. Advanced dream analysis, hints about dream symbols, the story tells all. Very nice. It's a beautiful, it's hardbound book. Let's see what it says about it. It says, a little bit of dreams book. Description. Ever wonder what that dream meant? Now you have a resource to help you figure it out. This book is filled with insights that will guide you toward a deeper understanding of your dreams. Learn what your subconscious mind is trying to tell you. Instructions. Whether you have questions about a specific dream or you're simply curious to discover the logic behind dream analysis, give this book a read to find out more. I love having more dream books because in my counseling, I've come to believe that only the person who has the dream knows what it really means. So you can look in books and you can say, oh, well, a snake typically means this, but you reflect it to them and really only they can go, oh, that makes sense, and it will click with them if it's right. So for me, dream analysis with another person has a lot to do with knowing a lot of resources to be able to help them find the interpretation to their dream. And I just believe that's because it's in their mind. So the snake may mean something different to them than, say, what it does most people. So the dream book. Ooh, a selenite wand. Oh, that's beautiful. Really pretty. Selenite's amazing. Let's see what they have to say about it. Nice big size too. Description. Yep, selenite stick. Selenite is like a shower for your energy. In fact, it's such a powerfully cleansing stone, it can be used to cleanse and change the energy of other crystals. Named after the Greek word for moon, it has a vibrant light energy. Instructions. Use the selenite stick to cleanse your energy at the end of a long day. Simply hold the stick in your hands for a series of deep purifying breaths. To cleanse your crystals, leave them on or touching the selenite overnight. That's awesome. Very pretty. And there's the selenite. So let's see what we have in here. Oh, pretty. So it's got some crystals there. I don't know if you can see it very well. Kind of shiny. It's in its raw form, so I'm not quite sure what it is, but I really enjoy stones in their raw form. So it says it's a lepidolite. Oh, I've been actually using some for a crystal grid that I'm going to be doing. So we will definitely use that in the crystal grid. Look for a video coming up in the next week of the crystal grid. Description, if you're going through a shift, this is a stone to bring along. It's said to be a stone of transformation that makes releasing the old and accepting the new easier to handle. It helps you elevate your mindset to see how you can better yourself through positive change. Instructions. Take a moment to sit with this stone in quiet reflection. Ask yourself if there is a habit or practice that you can do differently. I like that it doesn't say anything negative, just something you could do differently. It can be big or small, but focus on how you can benefit from a change in your tendencies. So I chose that because I'm doing kind of especially with all the rioting going on and stuff right now, I'm going to be doing a crystal grid to bring love and peace, especially to the United States, but to the world at large as well. So that's one of the stones that I chose because of its transformation power, to be able to transform your thoughts, that kind of thing. It would also be a great stone to use during your new moon ceremonies because it helps with that transformation. And during the new moon, we're setting those intentions or things that we want to come about or to change during the next lunar cycle. And the last thing, I'll put this on the little bag here. The last thing in here, it says a deep sleep pillow mist. Lavender aromatherapy. So it's really, really light. It's a light lavender. Let's see what else is in it. Lavender and peppermint. really nice, especially when you spray it on your pillow. Sometimes the lavender sprays will be really strong, and if you spray them on your pillow and then lay down, it can be too strong. This is a really, really nice combination, and the peppermint would also help clear your head and such. So let's see what they have to say about it. Farm to Table, that's the name of the company, I guess. Deep Sleep Pillow Mist. Description: feel like you're falling asleep in a valley of lavender with just a spritz of this soothing pillow spray. It's made with lavender essential oil to invite restful sleep whenever your head hits the pillow. Instructions: before applying to your pillow, spray once in another area of your home to be sure you enjoy the soft scent. After testing, spray the mist once over your pillow. Warning: keep out of reach of children. Yeah, you don't want children drinking essential oils. So that's the box this month. I'm excited to use what's in it. Very nice. Thank you for joining us. Please remember to subscribe to the channel if this is something that you're interested in. And leave me any comments of things that you might want to see me talk more about in this video or anything else. Thanks, and have a blessed day.